Here's a nice question. 5 cards drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. What's the probability getting 3 5s and 2 kings? All right. So what we need to do is the probability of doing anything, I guess, is what you want on the top, and or the number of ways you want something to happen over the total ways you can have things happen. So on the bottom, I've got 52 cards, and I'm choosing five of them. So if it doesn't matter what cards I get, that would tell me how many ways I could choose 5 cards from 52. But they want the probability of getting 3 5s and 2 kings. So they actually want 2 different things, right? So they want 5s, and they want kings. Okay, so if I can figure out how many different ways I can get 5s, 3 5s, and how many different ways I can get 2 kings, that would be the fundamental counting principle. So I just figure out this, and then I multiply by whatever that is. Okay, so 5s. How many 5s are there in the deck? There's 4 of them, and I'm choosing 3 of them. So that's how many ways I could choose 3 5s from 4. So I might get a diamond, club, and heart. That's what we're talking about. So times, then how many kings are there? There's 4 kings, and from those I want to get 2 kings. So I'm choosing 2. So figure out what 4 choose 3 is, that's for my 5s. Figure out 4 choose 2, that's for my kings, and then multiply those 2. And that'll give you the top number. Over the bottom, 52 choose 5. Now let me show you how slick this is to do in Desmos. You can do this on a calculator, but Desmos rules. Let me get a browser, and I want a graphing calculator. Okay, so if I want to do 52 choose, 4 choose 3 and 4 choose 2 on the top. So functions, stats, choosing. So I'm doing 4, 3. That'll get me my 5s, bracket. Maybe I should have put a bracket right at the first. Let's put a bracket right there. Okay, so 4 choose 3 times, the times isn't where I want it. I want it times right there. Okay, and now I go choose. So I have 4 kings, and I'm wanting to choose 2 of them. Okay, close that off, and now let's divide that by 52 choose 5. 52 choose 5, bracket. Good. So there's my probability right there. Very small number. Not a good chance of getting 3 5s and 2 kings. However, and that's a decimal, but I can change it to a fraction just by using that button right there. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. So my chances are 1 in 108,290. So this is equal to 1 in 108,290. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.